In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link quickly and easily. Google Meet is a fantastic tool for hosting virtual meetings, whether it's for work, school, or catching up with friends. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a meeting link that you can share with others. Let's get started by first heading over to Google Meet. You can easily access it by typing Google Meet in your browser's search bar and clicking on the link that appears. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see the option to start a new meeting or to join an existing one. What we're interested in here is setting up a new meeting. The next step is to click on New Meeting. When you do this, a drop-down menu appears with many options. For today's purpose, we're going to focus on the Schedule in Google Calendar option. Select it to proceed. This is an important step because it allows you to set up a meeting link that includes all the necessary details like the date and time directly through Google Calendar. Now let's dive into the scheduling part. You'll be redirected to Google Calendar where a new event entry page will open. Here, you can enter all the fundamental details of your meeting. Start by giving your event a clear and descriptive title so that your invitees know what the meeting is about. Next, select the date and time for your meeting. Google Calendar also lets you set the duration of your meeting, so choose the time frame that works best for you and your participants. Once you've filled in the basic details, ensure that the Google Meet video conferencing option is enabled. This will automatically generate a meeting link. Before finalizing, you can also add guests by typing their email addresses in the Add Guests section. This way they'll receive an invitation email with all the pertinent meeting details and the Google Meet link. You can also add a description or agenda for the meeting, which is useful for letting your guests know what to expect. After you've finished filling out all the necessary information, click on the Save button. Google Calendar will prompt you to send invitations to your guests, which is an excellent way to ensure everyone involved is in the loop. To access and share the link, click on the event in your Google Calendar. A pop-up will appear with the meeting details and you'll see an option that says Join with Google Meet. Next to it, there's a link icon. Click on it, then select Copy Link to copy the URL. You can now paste this link into an email or message to anyone you want to join the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a Google Meet link. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Now you can easily host your online meetings without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.